Knowing a tool is important, but at the same time, it is more important to know what is the practical implementation of that tool. Till now, we have learned a lot of standard components and also the Lightning layout. But in this video, we are going to have an hands-on on the standard components along with Lightning layout. So without wasting any time further, let's proceed with the video.
Hanging on, walking tall. Some days I
So as you can see, here is a sample form which we are trying to create on our LWC. In this form, you can see there are different components such as text boxes. There is a date time or month picker. There is a gender picker with a radio button. There is an address box, and there are drop-down boxes as well. So in this video, we are going to implement them all. Of course, in our LWC, our focus is not to replicate the same form, but to create something like that. Of course, to provide the similar layout, we are going to use Lightning layout as well. So let's quickly move on to our VS Code and see how we are going to do that. So as you can see, this is our VS Code and I'm creating my LWC here. So I'm clicking or right clicking on the LWC folder and clicking on create Lightning Web Component. Here I need to provide the name, which I'm naming it as personal profile card. So here is the personal profile card. In the HTML part, I'm going to have a Lightning card, and inside that Lightning card, in the body part, I'm going to have my different components. So let's quickly add the Lightning card over here. So you can see here is the Lightning card. In the title section, I have added personal profile. In the icon name, here it is written standard account. We are going to use a different one, maybe standard user. There are two divs. This is the footer. In the footer, we are going to have two buttons, right? And here we are going to have in this specific part, which is the body, we are going to have the rest of the stuff. So I'm going to add lightning layout over here. So let me quickly add the lightning layout. So you can clearly see here I'm having a lightning layout with multiple rows and different layout item. I'm giving each layout item as of size 6 so that there should be two columns in each row. And now I need to add different components over there. So let me show you the form one more time. So now you can see the form on your right side, and definitely let me quickly add all of them over here and then I will explain you individual components. So that will actually make it faster. Okay guys, so you can clearly see I have added some components over here. I yet have to provide few more details. For example, in the meta file, I haven't exposed it, so let me quickly expose it. And then I have to set the targets as well to app page. So I will choose the target over here and I will set it to app page. So I will remove the rest of them. Now, of course, it is exposed. If I come to the HTML part, now if you see, I have added all those components. I'm going to explain you what I have done here. Definitely you will see that. But before I explain you, let me show you that there are few variables that I have created here, or I should say I have defined here, but I haven't created them yet. Okay. We don't need to work on any kind of actions for now, so I'm removing all the action listeners and handlers. So here you go. So the basic UI is ready over here. I have used all those components which we have studied till now, those standard components only, and nothing more than that. So that would be much clear to you. Now let's create these variables. In fact, let me first deploy this and show you what it is showing over there, and then we will definitely make the changes. So I'm right clicking here, clicking it on deploy this source to org, and this specific LWC will be deployed to our org. Now here, this is my app practice page. I generally keep my tools or my forms till now here only. So I'm going to edit this. For that, we can click on this gear icon, which is the setup. We can right click on this edit page option and click on open link in new tab. So this will directly open this specific page into the Lightning App Builder. On the Lightning App Builder page, on the left side, you can collapse the standard and then you can find out your LWC. So for now, it is personal profile card. So I'm just copying and pasting it over here. You can clearly see this is my personal profile card. Now you can see the radio button group is not working right now. In the address, you can clearly see that country, city is there, but they are not looking like drop down. So first, let me quickly save this and let's check that practically on the page itself. My app page is here. All that I need to do is to refresh this. Okay, so this is my personal profile card, right? Of course, uh, there should be some space in between the components, right? Secondly, the city, province, these should be in form of drop down or combo box, right? So these things are still not there, and the reason for that is the variable that I told you in the very beginning, right? So definitely because of the variable, it is not working properly. We will adjust that and it will start working. Here you can see we don't want this icon as well, and we want two buttons as well. So for the icon part, what we can do is we can go to the Lightning Design System website. So Lightning Design System slash icon. Okay. So the Lightning Design System is having this icon library option. Here you can find the icon. So basically we want something related to user. So you can search for user and we can go for standard icon. What about standard avatar? So this will be looking good. So let's take standard avatar icon. So you have to come here and here in the icon name, just mention standard colon avatar. So this icon will work. Now, of course, the body is having some sort of padding, but we want to provide padding to all the lightning layout item as well. So I'm telling you the shortcut on how you can apply this to more than one places, right? So first of all, let's use SLDS varp rather than just SLDSP. And in the coming video, I will tell you what is the use of this SLDS varp and how it is different from SLDSP. But for now, let's keep it in that way. Now, we want to keep the same format in all the lightning layout item. That means I want to select all the lightning layout item. So what you can do is just select any one of them. Like I selected this one lightning layout item, which is having size 6. And now we can press Command D. If you are on Mac, press Command D. If you are on Windows, press Control D. So once you will do that, it will find the duplicate line of it and it will select that. So I am selecting all of them as you can see by pressing Command D, right? The rest of them will not get selected because the size is 12. So let it be. And now just move the cursor so you can see your cursor in multiple lines. Press space and press paste. So we have already copied that class and that class is pasted to more than one lines in one go. This is how you can use Command D to select or to have your cursor in multiple lines and edit in multiple lines at the same go. Now here I will repeat the same. I will select this. Again press Command D. Will select that space and paste. So now there should be some space around everywhere, right? Now let's try to find out the issue with the variable. So as I told you, if I talk about the radio button or the radio group of gender, it is having an option, gender option you can see. So I created a variable gender option, or I should say I defined the variable gender options over here, but I haven't assigned any value to it. So I will just copy this variable from here, go to the JavaScript part, inside the class, I will paste this variable name. And because this is options, it is a kind of array. So we will treat it as JavaScript array and we will provide values that whatsoever value that we want to show over there, right? So let me try to use simple options, simple array, right? Let me try to provide male, female like that. Let's see whether it is working or not. So I'm doing this, saving it, and then just deploying. I'm actually showing you what sort of array you have to provide it to work. So here I'm back to my org. I will open the inspect by right clicking on it and clicking on inspect. And then I will right click on the refresh and click on empty cache and hard reload. So now you can see there is a lot of space over there. You can also see it is showing options, but it is not showing any value over there, right? So it is this gender option or the array that you are providing to that gender option, or I should say radio group options. So that specific value will be an array, but that won't be a normal array. It will be an object type of array. That means it will have two values, label and value. You have to specify two values, label and value with each value of the option. Okay, so let me show you that. So here we are directly providing it as normal string array, which is not true. It is not string array. It is actually object. So we will have curly braces here. Inside the curly braces, we will have label as the object property. and the value of it will be male, and again value property, and the value of that value property will be male as well. Similarly, we have to actually use it for female and save it. Now, if you see the gender options over there, definitely the label will be selected. Now, what does this mean? So it means that the first option that is shown over there will have a label male, and once the user will click on it, it will generate a value male as well. So you can keep the label and value separate if you want. Right now, I don't want any such thing. So let's quickly go to the org. Again, right click and empty cache and hard reload. And you can clearly see in the gender, you see those options, right? Now, the point here is about the city and the country that has to be shown as in form of drop down, right? If I take you to my code, you can clearly see I'm even mentioning there that it has to be drop down because I choose that specific lightning input address. So why it is not showing though? So let me take you back to the code again. Now, if I take you to the HTML part, this is the part where we are mentioning, if you see here, we are mentioning country options and province options, but still it is not showing me any province or any country over there. So for that, we have to provide these values. So it is not automatically generated. You have to provide these values over there. So in form of sample, I'm providing you few values. So instead of saying get country options, I'm just mentioning it as country options and this one as province options, and these will be variables. So I will create these variables here in the JS again, just like I created gender options. So this will be country options. And just like the gender option case, it will also be in form of label and value. That means array of objects. So other than country option, I need one more, which I will copy from here to make sure that there shouldn't be any typo. Now, here I need to provide label values like this, right? So let's do that. Okay, I'm going to provide two country options over here and going to provide two province options over here. We can make them dependent as well. So right now I'm not going in that much of depth, but definitely in the future video we will discuss that. So here you go. Now all I need to do is I need to deploy this and it should show there as again as in form of combo boxes. Again, right click and empty cache and hard reload. And now you can see these country and province is showing as drop down. And you can see those options that I have provided, right? It is showing those options as well. Now, definitely, I have made it static. It is not dynamic. Like it should be in a form where if I'm selecting a country, then only the provinces of that country should be shown, right? And we can make it more dependent. Like if I select a specific province of a specific country, then I should see all the cities of that province. We can make it that dynamic as well. But of course, we need so many of data. So definitely in one of the future project or bigger project, we can certainly implement that. Maybe I will make a separate video on just these dependent drop-down list with code. Okay, but that's all. And the last thing to do over here, the last thing is to add two buttons, maybe at the bottom, which we prefer always. So let's keep it at the bottom. So here, let's come to the HTML part, and I already have the footer. All that I need is two buttons. Okay, so you can see I have added two buttons. I haven't written a lot of stuff. In the buttons, I'm using two attributes, label and variant. Variant is brand for the ad and destructive for reset. So let's deploy it and see how it appears on the org. And now if you see, our button is here. Now the other thing is like if you remember the actual look of the form which I showed you in the beginning of the video, there was something written here like enter first name, enter last name, or so on and so forth. They are nothing but placeholders, and if you are working on form, we can work with placeholders. So let me apply some placeholder over here so that you can understand how to work with it. Placeholders are those texts which are shown as hint to the user, but as soon as user clicks over there, it automatically vanishes. So let me show you how you can apply the placeholder. So for the placeholder, all that you need to do is to implement a placeholder attribute to those text boxes. For example, here I am mentioning enter first name. I can copy this placeholder and I can have it here in the last name as well. And of course, I will mention enter last name. The same you can do with the rest of the other text boxes, but I'm just showing you the use of a placeholder. So coming back to the org, right clicking on the refresh, empty cache and hard reload, and you can see these placeholder text over there. And as soon as I will click here and start typing, it will be gone. So this is the help. This is the placeholder, which is basically for the help of the user. So that marks the end of this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, thank you and take care.
hanging on, walking tall. Someday